Good day, doctor and fellow friends. We are from Group 14, and our topic is pharmaceutical industry. We will start our presentation by having an outline discussion. I am Xiao Zilian, and I will be presenting the introduction and also the conclusion. Now, Anis Nasuha will be presenting the second point, which is sourcing raw material, and the third point, managing production, will be presented by Nurul Hafizah. And the fourth point, distribution logistic and cold chain management, will be presented by Noor Hazira. And the fifth point, and also the last point, will be presented by Bong Bun Sheng, which is ensuring quality control and handling disruptions. Introduction, explanation of pharmaceutical industry. Now I will talk about why is pharmaceutical industry so important in a country. It is because all treatment requires medicine or vaccine. So when we were born, we have also taken vaccine without aware. So now look at the graph. Graph 1, daily share of the population receiving first COVID-19 vaccine dose, and the chart 2 is the confirmed COVID-19 death per million people between two countries, which is the purple one, Bulgaria, and the green color one is Malaysia. We can see that on average, Malaysia have received a higher vaccine dose compared to Bulgaria. This is why in chart 2, we have a lower dying rate. So it is important for us to study pharmaceutical industry in order to improve our health quality.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Anis Nasser binti Muhammad Shukri and my matrix number is 29371. So today I will discuss on the sourcing raw materials in the pharmaceutical industry. So raw materials are the foundation of pharmaceutical production with two key types of ingredients. They are active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and excipients. So first one is about API. They are active components that are responsible for therapeutic effects, such as aspirin for pain relief, metformin for diabetes, and ciprofloxacin for bacterial infections. So the quality of API is crucial because it directly impacts the drug safety and effectiveness. So making a strict quality control is indeed essential. While on the other hand, excipients are inactive substances that aid in drug formulation, delivery, and stability. They ensure proper absorption of APIs, improve taste and appearance, enhance stability during storage, and also help in differentiate medications through color or shapes to prevent errors. However, sourcing raw materials presents significant challenges. So, environmentally, raw materials extraction can cause deforestation and pollutions. Other than that, regulatory compliance is also complex because companies must navigate varying environmental rules across the countries. Supply chain complexity poses challenges because coordinating sustainable practices among multiple stakeholders is also difficult. So these challenges lead to risks such as supply chain disruptions from natural disaster or political instability, contamination during handling, variability in raw materials quality, which all of these can compromise during drug safety and effectiveness. So in order to mitigate this risk, companies can adopt several strategies. They are diversifying sourcing by working with suppliers in different regions. This can reduce dependency on single sources. Next is implementing robust risk assessment frameworks. This can help companies to identify vulnerability early, while fostering strong suppliers collaborations can ensure the quality and sustainability. Lastly, integrating technologies such as blockchain. This can improve transparency and traceability throughout the supply chain. So, in conclusion, while sourcing raw materials for the pharmaceutical industry is challenging, by adopting sustainable practices, leveraging technology, and fostering supplier partnerships, all of this can ensure the production is safe, effective, and high quality medications. That's all from me. Thank you.
Pharmaceutical supply chain production management requires a true understanding of several crucial elements. These components provide the safe and effective of pharmaceutical goods with strict quality standards. Firstly, manufacturing process is a step designed to ensure that medications are safe, effective, and high of quality for consumption. The first key process is formulation, in which the active pharmaceutical ingredients (API) is combined with excipients to create the appropriate dose form with measuring and mixing procedure. The second key process is quality control to identify any variation that might harm the product safety. The final key process is packaging, where the drug product is enclosed in its final container, labeled, and prepared for distribution. Next is regulatory compliance, which is crucial to guarantee that medications are manufactured accurately with high quality. Implements a principle known as Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). GMP's main objective is to reduce production risk by evaluating finished products. Pharmaceutical companies must put in strong quality management systems, which include meticulous documentations, procedure, verified processes, and demanding staff training program. The ability of a business to modify its operation in response to shifting circumstances is known as flexibility in production. This may entail changing the manufacturing procedure, alternating between various goods, or modifying the output level. The ability of a business to effectively increase or decrease its production levels is known as scalability. Significant increases in demand can be met by a scalable production system without sacrificing quality or becoming pricey. Lastly, automation is the use of control systems to manage various production machinery and processes. Furthermore, can perform more complete and reliable product inspection than human workers. Artificial intelligence (AI) can forecast the need for equipment repair, cutting downtime and preventing expensive malfunctions. These collaborative robots can help with difficult jobs, lighten the workload, and boost output all around.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Hazira binti Zulkifli. My meeting number is 293F1. I will explain about distribution of logistics and cold chain management. Importance of managing the cold chain for delicate goods. Many pharmaceutical goods are delicate and fragile, and it's made very difficult to handle it. Transportation between containers is the first issue, and delay at custom or disruption in the transportation network. And it could be damage the integrity of temperature sensitive like vaccine and biologic can lead to significant financial and public health loss. So next is about cost management, include high distribution costs due to the need to save the transportation, specialized packaging and GDP complements. And about the last mile delivery, it is challenging to provide drugs and vaccine in certain areas or should due to poor cold storage facility, subset and transportation system, and limited infrastructure. And cold chain management product that are too sensitive with temperature properly controlled from the point of manufacture, time of administration in order to preserve their efficiency and safety. In low income, countries usually result in indicate cold storage and transportation capabilities. Next is about modern technology that is overcome the current technology utilized in the pharmacy industry. It include the Internet of Things like IoT, blockchain technology, advanced analytic and artificial intelligence like AI, or drones. It provide real-time data on critical environmental parameters like temperature, humidity, and light exposure. Have totally changed cold chain management. Last but not least is about Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. It must be stored at -70°C. Standard refrigeration system were unable to meet this demand. Those special solutions had to be created. Pfizer developed thermal shippers that could sustain extremely low temperature for up to 10 days using dry ice in order to get around this problem.
So, good morning, everyone. My name is Bongbun Sheng. So, now I will discuss our last point, which is ensuring quality control and handling disruption. In this point, we will discuss the importance of quality control and strategies for handling disruption in pharmaceutical supply chains, focusing in the real world example like Malaysia COVID-19 response. So, my first point is quality control. So, ensuring quality control is the crucial for ensuring the safe and effective medicines. The key of framework is good manufacturing practice GMP, which cover everything from raw material sourcing to the staff training. So during the pandemic, Malaysia Pharma Niaga implemented GMP to produce Sinovac vaccines, demonstrating the importance of this practice. So let's move on to our second part, which is handling supply chain disruption. So the disruption like pandemics, natural disaster, and the globalization pose significant challenge. For instance, COVID-19 causes attacks for over 100 drugs in 2020. The solution includes supplier diversification, investing in local production, and using AI to predict risk and maintain the inventory. So AI also enhance quality control by detecting production issue in the real time. So collaboration is the key. The Malaysia partner with Pharmanaga and Convex to distribute vaccine efficiently, showcasing the power of teamwork during the crisis. So for to conclude, quality control and effective disruption management are vital for ensuring safe and reliable pharmaceutical supplies. By implementing frameworks like GMP, advanced technologies, and global collaborations, we can better protect public health and prepare for the future challenge. Thank you.
So in conclusion, to summarize key points discussed, we know that pharmacy industry is relevant to health economy studies with the aim of enhancing the global population health standard. And the action that can help to make distribution of medication more efficient and transparent is like the technology, cold chain, artificial intelligence, and also data-based predictive models. It can help to improve procedure and also enhance the overall quality of health standard. And the next thing to discuss is the AI. AI is acceleration to achieve a better health, society, and economy. So in conclusion, we must make use of AI and knowledge to empower and enhance the goal towards an epidemic reduction. Thank you. That's all from Group 14.